Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to upload files on Notion. This is an incredibly useful feature that allows you to add documents, images, PDFs, and more directly into your workspace, keeping all your important files organized in one place. Let's walk through this together. First, open your web browser and navigate to your Notion workspace. Once you're there, take a look at the left sidebar where all your workspaces are listed. Click on the workspace you want to work in. This ensures you're adding files to the correct location, especially if you manage multiple workspaces for different projects or teams. Next, you'll need to select the page where you want to upload your file. If you already have a page ready, simply click on it to open it up. If not, you can create a new page by clicking the plus new page button. This gives you a fresh canvas to work with. Now click inside the page at the exact spot where you want your file to appear. This placement is important because it determines where your file will be embedded within your content. Once you've clicked, type a / per inch. This opens Notion's block menu, which is essentially a quick access tool for inserting different types of content into your pages. In the block menu, type File, and you'll see the File block option appear. Go ahead and select it. This action creates a file block on your page, which is specifically designed to hold uploaded documents. You'll immediately see an Upload button appear within this block. Click the Upload button and a file browser window will open up on your computer. Navigate through your folders and select the file you want to upload. It could be a PDF, an image, a spreadsheet, or any other document type you need. Once you've found it, click Open to begin the upload process. The file will start uploading right away. Depending on the file size and your internet connection, this might take just a few seconds or a bit longer. Once the upload completes, the file will appear embedded directly on your Notion page, ready for you or your team members to access. Here's a helpful tip: if you want to rename the file for clarity, simply hover over it and click the 6 dots that appear on the left side. From the menu that pops up, select Rename and type in your preferred file name. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded a file to Notion using the web interface. No extra tools or complicated steps needed. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.